sausage is a food product resulting from the assemblage of proper ingredients in the right directions coupled with a structured design and controlled process. The quality of the product, therefore, will almost always be a reflection of the status of the raw materials and the process.
The goals of a life cycle assessment are the following. Identify the raw materials needed to produce sausage, identify the process emissions, wastewater quality, and solid wastes produced in each process, determine the environmental impacts in air, land, and water, and the laws and regulations governing them. First, the manufacturing of sausages. This involves the raw materials, wastewater handling, quality control, and packaging. The process flow diagram of our life cycle assessment involves and is limited to the arrival of the raw materials in plastic packaging, processing of raw materials, wastewater treatment, material recovery facility, and packaging of finished products.
Sausage production operation result in large quantities of solid and water waste and also air emissions of different harmful pollutants. The sausage industry mainly uses coal as a source of energy. The burning of coal to produce energy emits the following harmful chemicals. It includes SOx, NOx, COx, and polyaromatic hydrocarbons. The following processes that use coal as energy are summarized in the table. The major impacts of each pollutants and the rules and regulations governing the emissions were also presented.
Solid wastes from the sausage production are mainly composed of plastic bottles, cans, plastic sachets, and biodegradable materials. Biodegradable garbage includes unused parts of the meat, bones, and waste management begins with the segregation of materials into biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and recyclable materials. Biodegradable garbage is to be transported into compost, while the non-biodegradable wastes are to be transported to landfills. The recyclable materials are to be transported into junk shop.
Treatment of wastewater generated at processing plants and/or packing houses where red meat is produced and processed typically consists of biological treatment preceded by screening and primary sterilization. In some instances, dissolved air filtration has either replaced primary sedimentation or has been replaced between primary sedimentation and biological treatment. In the sausage industry, the wastewater treatment begins with the screening, followed by a dissolved air filtration, then the biological treatment, and then followed by an equalization process, in which the effluent is placed into a sand filter, then another effluent was produced and finally treated via UV disinfection. The treated water is then discharged into river.
The first process is washing raw meat with water. The solid waste includes the plastic bag from the meat packaging. This will be sent to the material recovery facility, while the used water will be sent to the wastewater treatment process. The washed meat goes straight to the cutting process. Boneless frozen meat blocks are cut in slices, cubes, or flakes by frozen meat cutters or flakers. The solid waste will be the bones and excess meat. The chopped meat is then sent to the grinder. In this process, the meat is compressed by the rotating feeding auger, pushed through the cutting system, and extruded through the holes in the grinding plates, after being cut by the revolving star knives. The meat emulsion will enter the quality control process, where the rejects will be sent back to the mixer. The well-mixed materials will then be sent to the filling process. During the filling process, the batter mixture are filled in intestine casings. The solid waste include the excess intestines and will be sent straight to MRF. The linking process is where the filled batters are linked together. The process uses threads and water for washing. The wastewater will be sent to the wastewater treatment facility. After linking, the sausages will be cooked. In this process, water is supplied for cooking. The products are cooked at 80 degrees Celsius for about 60 to 90 minutes. The wastewater from this procedure will be sent to the wastewater treatment facility. The basic purpose of packaging is to protect meat and meat products from the undesirable impacts on quality includes microbiological and physiochemical alterations. Packaging protects foodstuffs during processing, storage, and distribution from secondary contamination. The cold cook will be placed in vacuum bags using a vacuum bag conveyor prior to sealing. Unsealed packs are sealed in a vacuum sealer. During vacuum sealing, oxygen is removed, increasing the shelf life of the vacuum-sealed sausage. The quality-assured vacuum-sealed products are sent to the stamping machine and are stored in freezer prior to delivery. The reject sausages are recycled back to the mixer to improve quality and to reduce solid waste.